Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So Aries, first of all, I am going to check your current energy. This is your current energy, the Empress. And Aries, this is your partner's current energy, Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so let's talk about your current energy. Aries, you are being the empress in this relationship right now, or if not in this relationship, but yes, in general, you are being very nurturer, you are being very kind, you are being very supportive, you are being somebody who is a giver. Okay, you are being somebody who has a lot of compassion, lot of love, lot of emotions for other people. Plus, you are someone who has the ability to produce a new idea. Okay, perhaps you are going through this phase of your life that you are looking for some new ideas uh, to to enhance your finances. Okay, or to enhance your relationship with your loved ones, with your person. Okay, so you are working towards something new. Something new is about to start from you. Okay, you must be working on a new business proposal, new business plan. You must be working for a new job or something like that. So something new is about to happen for you. Okay, on the other hand, we have Eight of Pentacles. Aries, this is your person. This person is being somebody who is completely into his own work. Okay, this person is, I would call them as a robo. This person has turned into a robo because this person works 24/7. This person is completely a workaholic person. They do not see what's coming towards them, they don't see what's going out of their life. Okay, perhaps they are being somebody who wants to earn a lot of money, and it could be due to his or her own XYZ reasons, but this person is completely into his work right now, or her work right now. Okay, now let's see what is the current situation of this relationship. What is the current situation of this relationship? Creativity. Okay, one thing is for sure, that at this point of time in life, if you are feeling that hey, this person is not investing his or her his or her time in me or in this relationship, I should backstep, I should step back. Okay, and perhaps they must be feeling in the same way for you. But the thing is that you are not the one, or they are not the one who decides what life is going to give you. Okay, it is completely a divine connection. Something new is creating by divine for you. Okay, you are not aware of, yeah, you are not aware about it. But the best part is that both of you have felt this thing that okay, if not this is, if perhaps if this is not the right time for us to come together, maybe after some time we'll come and discuss our thoughts, or maybe we'll share our heart. Okay, so I feel that this is not the right time for you to think about this relationship. This relationship is guided by the divine. This relationship is created by divine for both of you, and universe is doing its job. All right, now I'm gonna pick three cards to check what they think about you, what they are doing right now in this relationship, and what are their future plans. Okay, existence, sharing, rebirth. Okay, so when it comes to you, this person thinks about you with this existence card, that okay, perhaps this person, my Aries, is going through some I won't call it a tough time, but yes, you are being somebody who is just looking for the purpose of your life. You are somebody who just want to get some clarity in your life. Why I am here, what is my purpose in this life? Is it, I mean, am I here to do just 9 to 5 job, or something is there for me? So you are being somebody who is very inclined towards spirituality, who is very inclined towards something. And when it comes to relationship also, you are being somebody who is completely in a silence mode. Okay, you are just thinking about your relationship, you are just thinking about your person, you are just seeing how they are behaving, you are just observing how things are evolving around you. Okay, you're not doing anything. You're not doing anything, you are just sitting silent and just seeing what is going on around you, perhaps. And it could also happen for some of you that you are being connected with God. You have started doing meditation to get answers of your queries. Okay, on the other hand, if I talk about what this person is doing right now, is sharing. This person is bringing some light in your life. This person is bringing abundance in your life. This person is bringing positivity in your life. Okay, they genuinely wants to share what they have. They genuinely wants to share their heart with you. They genuinely wants to share their thoughts with you, their love, their emotion, their affection, everything. So they are ready to share their heart with you. Perhaps they are working for you only. It could happen that they are working for you only. Okay, and the rebirth is saying that, see, I told you that you have this the potential to give or to produce a new idea. It could happen that in future this person is definitely going to take a step ahead in this relationship. Okay, perhaps they will propose you, they will talk about the marriage thing with you. They could say that, hey, I just want to live my life with you. Okay, anything could be happen. So whatever the thing is, I'm seeing that something new is taking place in your life in terms of relationship, in terms of love and emotion. All right. Okay, so I feel that some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this creativity card. All right, we have earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Seven of Pentacles. We have air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this rebirth card, and we have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this sharing card. All right, so Aries people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.